Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're looking at a fantastic home security system, a wired apartment video doorbell intercom system. This system boasts a truly innovative 4-unit design, featuring 1 outdoor camera and 4 indoor 10-inch touch monitors. This means you can have individual monitors in multiple locations within your home, all working without interference. Imagine the convenience. The 10-inch touchscreen monitors allow you to answer the door, monitor activity, unlock your door, and engage in two-way communication, all hands-free. It supports the Smart 2U app for wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, offering incredible control and flexibility. While the monitors connect wirelessly, please note that the doorbell and monitors require wired connections for optimal performance. This system isn't just about convenience, it's about security. It features automatic video recording triggered by motion detection. You can even customize the motion detection area to focus on specific areas around your property. The system records directly to a microSD card, included, providing a valuable record of any activity. Plus, you receive instant alerts to your smartphone via the 2U app, letting you see, hear, and even remotely unlock your door from anywhere in the world. You'll never miss a visitor or delivery again. This system provides crystal clear 1080p HD video, even at night thanks to its IR night vision. With a wide 140-degree viewing angle, and weatherproof design, this doorbell is built to last. It's incredibly easy to install, offering a stable, reliable wired connection that's perfect for home security. Suitable for apartments, villas, hotels, or offices, it's a versatile solution for a variety of settings. This system provides a level of security and convenience you won't find anywhere else at a reasonable price. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech updates. Hit that subscribe button and join the community.